I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls TV, and I want to give you some tips and tricks for printing the front of hats and choosing the right platen or attachment for your Hotronix press. We have this snapback hat that I'm going to load onto the press with the standard platen that comes with the press, and I'll flip out the sweatband. When I go to load this onto the press, you'll notice how there's a bit of a gap in between the platen and the actual print area. Usually this snap down device would hold that into place, but there's still a gap after I lock that into place. There's still a lot of give here. That's going to cause issues in creasing and uneven pressure in my applications. So for that reason, the Hotronix has easy on and off platens. You just swap one off, and I can load one of a few different sizes. In this case, I'll just load a smaller attachment, and let's see how this works. Now I'll load the hat back into place, flip out the sweatband, lock my hold down device, and now I'm getting a nice even print surface without a gap, and I'm ready to heat apply my graphics. So we start with a preheat, just as if we're pressing apparel. I've trimmed down my craft paper to make it easier to apply. Just preheat for a few seconds, give myself a nice even pressing area, position my design. This particular design has a sticky backing. You can use thermal tape if you like as well to hold the design into place, which I'm going to do here. I'm just going to put a piece of tape down on the edge, and then I'll trim off another piece of tape for the other side, just to hold it in place. Cover it with a cover sheet. And lock it down for the recommended time, temp, and pressure. Upon completion, I remove the backing from the design and have a completed hat placement. Notice how the heat transfer film applies directly over the seam without an issue. And with the right tool, it's very easy to apply the front of caps. Let me show you one more example. That one had a fused buckram or a hard surface to the actual hat back. This one is much more of a softer style, but we can load it onto the same attachment. Flipping out the sweatband, getting it nice and tight and flat. It's again preheating. Positioning the design. In this case, the sticky backing is doing a nice job of holding it into place, so no thermal tape needed. And press it for the proper time, temperature, and pressure. Remove the backing when it's completed.